it's Stephanie here. Welcome to this video about making a Roman shield or a scutum. The original shields were made of wood that were stuck together in layers, and it would be a curved shape around the body of the legionnaire, which allowed any weapons to glance off the sides and would protect the body of the Roman. Some of the shields looked like this, but also had a wreath painted on, which would symbolise victory in battle. But the shields weren't all the same. Craftsmen would be paid to include scenes from myths and famous battles. You round off the edges and paint it red. I used a good acrylic red paint and it went on really well, but it does take a while to dry. So when you've finished painting, you need to set it aside to dry whilst you get the other bits ready. You're going to make the boss, which is the metal bit right in the middle of the shield. Take a square of card. I used 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres and cover it in kitchen foil. Of course, in Roman times, this was very strong metal. The boss was also used as part of your fighting weaponry because it was very hard. A glancing blow from that would really hurt, but also it helped to attach the grip or handle on the other side with great big rivets that went through. I would suggest using a hot glue gun because sticking these two together proved quite difficult. So we need to get all of the decoration correct. Everything means something on this kind of a shield. The red colour was a symbol of Mars, that's the god of war. The lightning bolts signified Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods. The wings were eagle wings, and the eagle was the symbol of the Roman army. So it's time for you to draw out the shapes that are going to go onto your shield. I couldn't give you a template for this because we're all going to have different size shields. All you need to do is make sure it definitely fits on to your shield. Here's an example of what I did. 2 lots of wings. You need the zigzag lightning bolts and then any other decoration that you like. Now, we did say before that the sides of the shield were actually curved around the legionnaire's body. So take your shield and gently bend the edges and it will give you quite a nice curved shape. Finally, seeing as we do have a dry shield now, stick all of your paper template shapes on with PVA glue or a Pritt stick. The handle or grip on the back would have helped the soldiers to carry this shield. They had to carry them for a long time, lots of marching, and of course they used it to fight with. So make sure that you stick the handle on. You'll find that the glue takes a little bit of time to dry. You need to hold it. Why don't you practice your Roman numerals whilst you're waiting? Now here I decided that I would do more decoration on my shield, and you could either leave it just with the paper stuck on or with the decoration. You can see I'm making eagle wing type designs with my black felt pen. I have actually gone around the outside of all of my shapes as well, and this made for a really effective look. I hope you choose to do something similar yourself. So there we go, you've finished making your scutum or Roman shield. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did, and any pictures that you have of yours we would love to see emailed in to Time and Tide.